Hey there everyone, Aaron Spalsbury here at 3X Logic. Today I'm going to be walking you through our cloud dashboard. We are going to be taking a deeper dive into all the various tabs here across the top in some future videos so that you'll be able to see all of the features and functionality that cloud has to offer. But for today we are going to be focused here on the dashboard. Now I've gone ahead and logged in. Over here off to the right for starters you will notice the bell icon. If you click this you can actually see all of the notifications that you have set up inside of here, and if I were to click on any of these, it would obviously take me to the playback of that particular event. I've also got my name here off to the right. That's how you access your account, as well as the ability of being able to pull down the help menu or even log out of the software. Now, these bookmark cameras that you have across the top here, if you hit show more, you'll actually be able to see all of the cameras that you have bookmarked, and these are nothing more than just still images that will populate about every hour or so. They'll refresh, but this just allows you to quickly and easily jump into live if I were to click on one of these. If you come down here just a little bit more, you can actually see how many cameras you have online in total for the system, as well as we do notate which ones could potentially be offline. Now, why do we do that and why do we show this here? Well, if you had, let's say, 300 cameras and you did have one that was offline, well, you'd want to know which one it was. So that's why we actually show that here in the nice little notification window. Over here off to the right, open cases by location. If you click on any of these, it will take you into the case management, which is a very big part of our software that we're going to be looking at more in detail here in the future, or even the ability of being able to hit see all, and then of course you can see all of your various locations and how many open cases that you have. Below that, you will see recent cases. These are just nothing more than the last couple that you've clicked on, but over here off to the right, you've also got your recent case activity. This is really nice. If you are an admin, you can see what other folks are doing inside the software. Did they share this case outside the organization? Did someone download it and review it? It allows you to be able to see everything that is going on right here on the main screen. Recently viewed locations, this is just the last couple that you've clicked on just so you could quickly access the ones that you may have currently been on, but of course you jump back to the dashboard by accident, or if you just simply want to go back and forth between case notes and go back to the recently viewed locations. Down here across the bottom, some of the legal stuff. Of course, you're going to have our terms of service down here. You're also going to have our privacy policy, which will actually take you out to our website and allow you to go through all of this, and you even have our VIGIL cloud privacy policy as well. And of course, you're welcome to read through all of this. Of course, you have to agree to it when you initially log in, just like you would anybody's software, but it does allow you to do that, as well as browser compatibility. This will show you what software you can use here on the cloud to make sure that you are up to date. Now, from best experiences that I've seen, obviously Chrome is probably my easiest one that I use. I prefer that one over any of the other ones, but it does work with a number of other ones as long as they are updated to this minimum required version. But there you have it, guys. That is what is on our dashboard here for our VIGIL Cloud software. And hey, if you enjoy these videos, make sure you hit the subscribe or even the bell button so I can notify you anytime there is a new video posted. But thanks for watching today, guys. We'll see you on the next video.